Mastering parallel parking, an essential skill for drivers. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a common yet sometimes challenging driving maneuver, parallel parking. Whether you're a new driver or just need a refresher, this video will guide you through the steps and tips for mastering parallel parking. Parallel parking is a method of parking a vehicle in line with other parked vehicles. Cars are usually parked parallel to the road, in line with other parked vehicles. This parking technique is commonly used on busy streets and in areas where parking space is limited. It's an important skill for drivers, especially in urban areas. 1. Find a suitable space. Look for a space that is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. 2. Position your car. Align your car parallel to the car parked in front of the empty space, keeping around 2 feet distance. 3. Check mirrors and blind spots. Before starting, check your mirrors and blind spots for traffic. 4. Reverse into the space. Slowly reverse into the space, turning your steering wheel to angle your car into the space. 5. Adjust your position. Once your car is mostly in the space, straighten your steering wheel and adjust your position. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Use reference points. Identify specific points on your car to judge distances. Stay calm and patient. Take your time to avoid mistakes and accidents. Be aware of your surroundings. Always be mindful of other vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles. Parallel parking might seem daunting at first, but with practice, it becomes much easier. We hope this video helps you feel more confident about parallel parking. Happy driving, and see you in the next video.